Hi guys, I can't believe it is week 6. This week we are continuing to talk about guided reading. We're going to look closely at the quality of a guided reading lesson. I want you to think about how our behaviors as teachers can assist students in their use of reading strategies. In Chapter 19, the role of facilitative talk in supporting change over time in processing systems, Fountas and Pinnell explained that prompts are very short, clear, direct statements or questions that give the reader the maximum information in the fewest words and are used sparingly. Prompts are used when the reader is at difficulty, after an error, or after successful problem solving. Too much talk clutters teaching. Use the fewest words possible to accomplish your goal and use those words carefully. Research has proven these prompts that Fountas and Pinnell suggest are effective. Don't change the wording of the prompts. There is no prompt that says, sound it out. When you are prompting for a strategic action that will help the reader read any text, not just the particular text in front of him or her at this particular time. I'm going to tell you that again. When you are prompting for a strategic action that will help the reader read any text. You're not soliciting a word that will help the child read that particular book. You're helping them to know what to do when they are at difficulty or at error. You need to teach the prompt before you can ask the reader to engage it. When you see the reader engaging the behavior independently, then you want to reinforce it. This is seen in figures 19.1 through 19.5 in our guided reading text. These go from levels A through Z. The reading behaviors are searching for and using information, monitoring and self-correcting, solving words, and maintaining fluency. There's direction on how to teach the prompt itself, and how to reinforce it. The goal is for the reader to be independent of our external prompting. As with all teaching, some students learn these prompts more quickly than others, so you may have to reteach, prompt, and reinforce several times. This week, you are planning and teaching a guided reading lesson. The form you are using is on Moodle, and I thought I had it, and I don't, so let me get it for you. Here is the guided reading lesson plan form. This is what you used for your introduction. And this is for the rest of the lesson. Here's where you'll put your lesson focus. What are you going to do before the reading? During the reading, are you going to be using any prompts, or what prompts did you use? What were your teaching points after the reading, and what was a praise point after the reading? You may want to use the book intro that you have already written. Just reintroduce the book to the child and have them read it. Be sure to record any actions that you take before the reading, any prompts used during the reading, and teaching and praise points after the reading. Be sure you have submitted everything that is required for this week. I hope that you have been thinking about your final project, which is due week 8. It's much easier to pull together if you have been making notes along the way. I'm very excited to look at your final projects. If you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you.